and welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise. Today, I'd like to go over this $3 thrift store find I got as a $3, as you can see. I got this Generation 1 Amazon Fire TV box. It's got USB, Ethernet, optical HDMI, so on and so forth. And when I got it, didn't have a remote. I had to hard reset it. Took a long time to figure out how to do that. You have to push the back button here and to the right and hold it. Anytime you sell one of these or get rid of these, if you have an issue with it, always wipe it before you get rid of it, because the person that's trying to use it the next time is only going to be able to try to access your account, and it's registered to the previous owner. And so the only way to avoid that is to decertify the account, which you can do on the settings or do a hard reset. So I had to reset all this, and luckily it took. Initially I tried to get into it with a keyboard, because it was just like getting ridiculous that I couldn't reset it. But it took a couple hours to figure out how to do it, but I got it to work. And I'll show you here. It goes to a HDMI. This is an LG 32 LN5300. I'm having problems with the tuner on this TV. I think there's an issue with the cold solder joint or something getting hot or something. When you pause the TV will just power off, come back on, power off, come back on, only when the tuner is on, it seems. So something's kind of weird with it. But this is my box here. This is what I get here. You get a bunch of different things, and basically what I wanted to tell you is what I do is what do you call it, is home. You like the home screen, you can go live. There's not really too much live on here. I kind of noticed that there's a little delay on some stuff. But I'm trying to find where I had, here we go, like my recent and your apps. Pluto is a good one to use for free. You get some stuff. Tubi, news, your Amazon Fire TV news. IMDb has some movies. National Fox Sports app has a couple things, and YouTube, and then you get into your paid stuff here, Amazon Music and internet and Crackle, all that stuff. But anyway, for me, the best ones are the Tubi, the news, the IMDb, and the Pluto. They seem to be free. And then there's a couple news things on there, Weather Channel and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, hope you enjoy that, and it's a good deal for the price though. 73.